For our surface area in real life situations, for finding our surface area is equal to the sum of the area of all sides. So that means we find the area of each side, and sum means we add them all together. So it's important when you are looking at your figures, the cube and the rectangular prism will have 6 separate sides to them: a top, a bottom, a front, a back, a left, a right. So it's important that you account for all 6 of those sides. So looking at our first problem, Hermione made a jewelry box shaped like the rectangular prism below. What is the surface area of the jewelry box? So let's start with our front side here. It has a length of 5 and a width of 10. So the area of this side is going to be 5 centimeters times 10 centimeters, which will be 50 centimeters squared. All right, let's look at our sides, our left or right side here. We know that the length is 10 and our width here is also going to be the same as on this side, will be 5 centimeters. So we're going to multiply 10 centimeters times 5 centimeters. This side also has an area of 50 centimeters squared. So for our third side, we're going to look at our top. All right, so our top has a length of 10 centimeters and a width of 10 centimeters. So our area for our top is going to equal 100 centimeters squared. All right, so let's look at what we've got here. This was our front, and so we know that there's also going to be a back. This side, 10, the blue, this is our right side. We know there's also going to be a left side. And for our third one there, this is our top. We know there's also going to be a bottom. So there's 2 of each of these that we need to account for. So for our first one, 50 times 2 would be 100. For our second one, 50 times 2 would be 100. And for our third one, 100 times 2 would be 200, and these are all in centimeters squared. So when we add these all together, 100 plus 100 plus 200 is going to be 400 centimeters squared is our total surface area. Answer choice A. Looking at question 2, what is the surface area of a cube with 1-inch sides? Remember, a cube means that it is a square on all sides. All right, so if this side is a 1 inch and this side is 1 inch, so our area of this front side is going to be 1 times 1, 1 inch times 1 inch, so it's going to have an area of 1 square inch. Now, this is just our front side. We know that we also have a top, a bottom, a left, a right, and the back side. So there are 6 total. So we're going to multiply 6 times this 1 square inch. So our total surface area for our cube is 6 square inches. Answer choice C.